Excellent, and we're on our way to Pasochoa. What's up?
Yeah, well, this is our first climb. It's about 13,800 feet. Yeah, we're going to drive for about 1.5 hours and then to start to walk.
Walk, I love it. All right, let's go. One of the bad things about leaving Quito is the traffic. We're in slow-go traffic now. It's 9:45, we're at 12,200 feet. We're at the trailhead for Pasochoa, and we're getting ready to start. We haven't even been hiking 5 minutes, and I can feel the altitude here at 12,200. But here's where we're headed. We've been climbing for just a little over 40 minutes, and we're above the tree line. You can see all the grass around me. But back behind me is the valley of Quito, from which we came. So I'm up here visiting the offices of Estelon.
But this is my smolder office.
But the views are fantastic from way up here. Look at the views, aren't they incredible?
Wait, do you see the views from my biggest office?
Wow. So about after an hour of climbing, we took a quick stop to take a break, have something to eat and drink, and we also did some experimenting with flying our drones. Enjoy the footage. Good drone flying?
I think so.
Excellent.
We are going to see what I got.
I'm excited for you. So what do you think the elevation is here at in meters?
In meters? 4,100.
4,100, so we're close.
Yeah, it's just over there.
Yay, team.
We are going just here, following this trail. And then we are going to see one of the weird things, let's say, or amazing things here, that you can find forest over 4,000 meters.
Yes.
Yeah, so in other countries you have snow. Yeah, here is still some trees up there, so it's going to be really cool too.
Yeah. Well, the interesting thing is I've been noticing it was warm, it got cold, it got warm, it got cold again.
Yeah.
Yep.
Come on, James. Very good. Careful there.
Top of the world. Wow.
Very good, my friend. Our first.
Well, we reached the summit about 12:40. So we were climbing for a little less than 3 hours total from the trailhead to get up here. And it's a little bit, we're lucky because the clouds keep coming in and out. But right now we've hit a little bit of a clear spot up here. Woohoo! So we can see around on the summit up here. So we're looking
Yeah.
good. But here, let me show you something unique. From where we're at, here's the drop-off. That's looking down. And back over this way, you can see the ridgeline going to the lower peak. As it typically is in Ecuador, you're not only person who gets to the top. We found some other people here. They're from Switzerland, yeah?
I'm Matthew, hello. We're from the heart of Switzerland.
And I'm Donna.
And Donna. And are you here for vacation?
We're here for vacation 6.5 a week, and we arrived on Monday last week. And we really enjoy the country, really enjoy the people here, and look forward to the world.
Well, and this is kind of bad weather, but when the days it's good. Are you going for some of the bigger mountains?
No, we don't.
So this is your biggest one?
Yeah, more or less. Yeah.
So is this your first time to 4,200 meters?
No, we've already done one of these in Quito, the Rucupichicho.
Oh yeah, Rucupichicho.
It was a little bit higher, but
Yes, it is.
we prefer to have some plants, and we're not so fond of going high up.
Very good. It's a small world, is it not?
It is.
Okay,
Thank you, people.
After spending about 45 minutes on the summit, we're now leaving at 1:30 to head back down. We've met a very nice group of German climbers who are coming down the mountain behind us now. It's time to get off the hill. So how did I do climbing today to 13,780 feet or 4,200 meters? I think I did really well. I had no issues with the altitude other than I was short of breath at times, but no dizziness, no headaches, and that's a very good sign. So a lot of my pre-training to get ready to come here helped out. What are we doing tomorrow?
We're going to El Corazon.
Which
For-
means?
The heart.
The heart.
The heart.
So I'm excited. Hopefully we'll run into an old friend there. You remember our old friend?
The Perro Blanco.
See, I'm looking forward to that. So hopefully we will see him. Okay, we made it back to the trailhead. Eslan beat me by just a couple minutes, but we've got back at it about 3:20, so it only took us an hour and 15 minutes to come off the top. We had fun coming down because we stopped and shot some drone footage. And overall, I think it was a fantastic day. So come back, join us tomorrow as we take on El Corazon. Till then, ciao. What you say?
Ciao.